two pools.
Ooh, little pop up in the outfield. Catch it.
I can't.
You want me to throw you? You want me to throw you high? Okay. Hold that. Ready, Mom?
Ready.
Ready? You ready? Ready?
Woo! That was so high.
Ready?
Yeah.
Can you get high?
Braden.
Brayden, Mommy's calling you.
Hey, sharks and minnows, go.
Sharks and minnows, go.
This
Sharks
way.
and minnows.
Braden.
Go.
Jeez.
Swim to Mommy. Swim to Mommy.
Jeez.
Sharks and minnows, go.
Happy summer. There he comes.
Look at him taking speed.
Woo! He's such a good little swimmer now. Hi, boys.